Hello, my name is John. Welcome to What a Bot Tutorials. In this video, I will give you a walkthrough on the customer's portal. Once you are in, you will see multiple options in the left pane menu. Let's click on the dashboard option. Here you will see 4 different charts. The first one, named Messages, shows the number of messages processed by the bots on a period. It counts only bots' responses to users. The second chart, named Conversations, shows the number of interactions that the bots have had daily. In this case, the period is 3 previous months. Then this graph shows monthly bars with the sum of unique daily conversations for each month. In the same graph, we can switch from conversations to unique users. When in unique users, it is shown the number of unique users for the whole period. This is a very important metric to know bot penetration. The next chart, named Messages per Channel. You see the same information as in Conversations, but broken down by channel. In this case, below the graph, you can see there are 2 channels, WhatsApp and web chat. You can click on a specific channel to remove it from the graph and filter the channel you are interested in. The last graph, named Unique Users per Channel, shows the number of unique users for the period, but broken down by channel. Here you can switch to Conversations, so you can filter them by the channel as required. On the upper side, you will find tools. The first one lets you switch all graphs from column type to curve type. The second one is the customer filter. This is important when you have a professional subscription that allows creating multiple customers. The next tool shows various periods to visualize the charts. It goes from last 30 days to 12 previous months. Finally, you can select to see the charts in gallery mode or list mode. Now let's click on the bots option in the left pane. Here you can see all the available bots organized by customers. Bots are shown as cards. When you mouse over the card, you will see options open and delete. This bot name has a green dot that indicates it is in production mode. It means it is active, so it cannot be deleted. Let's click on Open to see how the bot model looks like inside. There is another video that explains the bot model in detail. If you wish to create a new bot, just click the plus sign in the lower right side of the screen. Then you will see an empty bot to start building. Please refer to the How to Create Your First Bot tutorial to learn how to build your first bot. The next option in the left pane is for artificial intelligence. Let's click on it. There are no AI modules yet, so let's click on the plus sign in the lower right side of the screen to create a new AI module. To learn how to build AI modules, please see our How to Create Your First AI Module tutorial. AI modules are used by bots. Various bots might include the same AI module, so you just need to build it once. The fourth option in the left pane is Conversations. This is one of the most useful options for our customers. Here you can monitor your bots in real time. First, you need to filter by date and customer. Then, you will see all the available bots. Just click on the ones you want to focus on, and then click on Show Conversations. You will see a list of entries organized by date that show you every single conversation. If you selected the current date, then you can monitor live conversations. By clicking a user, the right pane will show the interaction between a single bot and a single user for a specific date. You can scroll up and down to move to previous or future conversations. Now let's click on the broadcast option. Here you will see the broadcast wizard that shows easy steps to send bulk messages to selected users. Unfortunately, this option is not currently available due to restrictions from Facebook and WhatsApp to prevent spam. The next option is Reports. Under Reports you will see 3 entries. The first one is Trace Log, that shows specific traces included in a bot model. Trace logs are intended to record information from trace steps. Please read the type of steps section in the user guide to learn more. The second one is Indicators. This option will show key performance indicators for bots, which are very useful for continuous bot improvement. Finally, you can see the active users report. That shows the number of active users your subscription includes. Now please click on Channels. When your bot is ready to be deployed, this option lets you connect it to the available channels. There are 3 channels: WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and web chat. Deploying your bot to make it available to users is very simple and fast. Please refer to our How to Deploy Your Bot tutorial to learn more. It's time to click on the Resources option in the left menu pane. Here you can create users and customers depending on your subscription plan. For each user, you can set security settings according to the user profile. Finally, you will find the Help option, under which there are 2 entries. First is Documents. That will open what a bot documentation such as video tutorials, frequently asked questions, the user guide, and you can also find legal documents as our privacy policy and our terms of use. The next Help entry is for Submit a Ticket option. This will display a contact form to get in touch with us for different reasons such as feature request, tech support, account support, report a bug, and other. Here you can describe your case and attach a file of up to 10 megabytes. Please don't hesitate to contact us when needed. We are here to help. Thanks for watching.